This is Nina.
And this is Amber.
Today we will be teaching you how to draw a cat monkey in 2 different ways.
For this tutorial, you'll need paper, a pencil and eraser, and something to color with if you want to color in your drawing.
The first way you can draw a cat monkey is with a cat's body and a monkey's head and tail. To start off, draw a medium circle in the center of your paper. Try to make it as even as possible. For your next step, draw some small arches on the side of the monkey's face and then connect them with the curved line under the circle for the cheeks. And then erase the bottom part of the circle because you don't need it. And then you want to make an outline on the inside, tracing the outside line. And at the top, erase it and then make a V shape. Okay, now you want to draw the ears, which are located right above the V on the sides. Draw them as triangles. Once you're done with that, if you want to draw the inside of the ears, just copy that. So a littler triangle. Now you can draw the eyes. The eyes are located right about in the middle of the face, equal from this line. I'm going to draw them as closed and straight lines. And try to make them evenly spaced as possible from this line. Once you're done, you can erase that line, or if you never drew it in the first place, just keep it. Then for the nose, draw an upside down triangle in the middle, and then for the mouth, draw a triangle. And then next, add whiskers on both sides of the face, extending from the cheeks. Now for the body, connecting from the head, draw a round shape, slightly larger at the bottom. Then for the belly, do the same thing as you did with the head. Trace the outside line inside. And then for the arms, you can draw 4 curved or straight lumps, 2 on the cat monkey side. And 2 at the bottom. And then last thing you want to do is draw the tail. It starts from here, but you can't really draw it there because it doesn't start showing up till about here. So from the right side of the monkey, draw a curved line, and then you're done. If you want to, which I'm going to do, I'm going to make the cat monkey holding a banana because that's what it eats. And then you're done. So if you want, you can color or outline your finished drawing if you want to. but you don't really have to because it's not required. Anyway, here is the finished colored and outlined result.
For this variation of the cat monkey, we will start with a nice round circle. Then draw a line down the middle of the circle. Be sure not to touch the edges. You might want to make it a little bit lighter so you can erase it if you get it wrong. On the right side of the line, draw a semicircle, like that. You should have something that looks a little bit like half of a heart on the right side of the circle. Next, we will draw the ears. On top of the left side of the circle, draw a triangle, then draw a smaller triangle inside it. On the right side, about halfway down, draw a semicircle connected to that circle, then draw a smaller semicircle inside it. Moving on to the eyes. You can draw them any style you want, but I used cat eyes. On the left side, draw your eye about 1/3 of the way down. Now draw another eye on the right side. Try to make it on the same line as the cat eye. Draw a small triangle below the cat eye, then draw a curved line coming out of it. It should look something that's sort of like an upside down L. Do another curved line on the monkey side. Make a large oval connected to the head, then draw a smaller oval inside. You can also create a light line inside it down the middle. Draw 2 ovals connected to the body. We'll start with the monkey side because it's really easy. Just a squiggly oval like that. Now the cat side is a little complicated. First you draw this curved line. Then you draw some shorter curved lines and connect it back up. Then some lines here for the claws. Now do 2 squiggly tails like this. They'll be really useful for the cat monkey to hold its bananas and fish. Next, draw 2 more elongated ovals for feet. Again, just a simple foot on the monkey side, and on the cat side, you'll start with this line, these 3 little U's, then connect it back up, then the cat claws. Don't forget the whiskers. Finally, you can add some light stripes on the cat side. Give it some texture. You can also add some fur. And you are done. You can color it in however you like. Feel free to experiment with colors and poses and to create your own variations.